Dishwasher tablets have excellent cleaning properties, which is why many people use them to make homemade bathroom cleaner. You only need one tablet and a spray bottle. Cut the tablet into 3 pieces so it fits into the bottle. Pour in warm but not boiling water so it dissolves faster. Shake the bottle continuously to mix it well. Close it and it's ready. The cleaner works great for washing the toilet and seat. It also helps prevent limescale buildup and water stains. It's perfect for cleaning ceramics. Just spray a dirty sink and wipe it with a wet cloth. No streaks, and your bathroom will look like new. It's also ideal for the shower, where tiles and glass are often covered in stubborn limescale. Regular detergents require a lot of scrubbing, but a spray made from a dishwasher tablet works instantly. Spray the glass generously so the liquid runs into the shower tray, then gently wipe with a wet cloth and rinse with warm water. The glass will be shiny and streak-free, and the thin layer left by the tablet helps slow down limescale buildup. Pour coffee into Coca-Cola. This mix works surprisingly well and delivers an unexpected result. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which have remarkable cleaning properties. Instant coffee has natural oils, a strong aroma, and a texture that affects how it blends with other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee to a bottle of cola. Shake gently to combine, then pour the mixture into a larger bowl. Add another 3 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. This ingredient plays an important role too. It acts as a natural abrasive. Prepare some dish soap as well. Dish soap effectively cuts through grease and grime. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Take an empty cola bottle and carefully make a small hole in the cap. Using a funnel, pour the finished mixture back into the bottle. This homemade cleaner is great for washing dishes or scrubbing a dirty sink. Just pour a little onto the surface, scrub with a sponge, and rinse with water. Your dishes will be clean, shiny, and fresh. No need for expensive store-bought detergents. 1 lemon, and my oven shines like new. It's a simple natural method that helps remove grease buildup and burnt stains without chemicals. All you need is 1 lemon sliced thinly. It's a fruit not only rich in vitamin C, but also a highly effective cleaning agent. Thanks to its citric acid content, it works wonders in dissolving grease, removing tough stains, and neutralizing unpleasant odors. After slicing the lemon, place the slices on a baking tray and cover them with water, just enough to create a thin layer at the bottom. Then, put the tray in the oven and set it to a high temperature. Leave it for about 20 minutes to generate lemon steam. The heat will cause the lemon juice to evaporate, and its cleaning properties will soften the burnt food remnants and greasy buildup. After this time, simply wipe the oven interior with a paper towel or a damp cloth. The result? Sparkling cleanliness without the need for harsh detergents. A clever trick for cleaning a dirty induction hob. This method takes just a few minutes and leaves your hob looking like new, no scrubbing required. Stains, streaks, and even burnt-on spots will disappear like magic. You only need 2 products. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda helps remove tough stains as a natural abrasive. Next, grab half a lemon. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which dissolves calcium deposits and white marks while leaving a refreshing citrus scent. Rub the hob surface with the lemon pulp, focusing on white streaks and tough stains in circular motions. The citric acid reacts with the baking soda, creating a gentle foam that helps lift dirt. Finally, wipe the hob clean with a damp cloth. Use this simple method to keep your induction hob looking brand new without spending on expensive cleaning products. Your sandwich maker will be clean in seconds, without the tedious scrubbing of burnt residue. If you're wondering how to clean your sandwich maker quickly and effectively, this method is for you. Any sandwich lover uses their sandwich maker frequently, but cleaning it isn't as enjoyable. If the sandwich maker is used often, it becomes increasingly difficult to clean. Some people even stop using it because they don't know how to clean it properly. But the solution is very simple. Next time your sandwich maker gets dirty, use the paper towel trick. Every sandwich maker manual should mention this cleaning method. And it's not just about wiping the surface with a paper towel. You need to use it in a rather unusual way. Tear off a few pieces of paper towel. Prepare a bowl of water. Dip the paper towel pieces into the water. Squeeze out the excess water. Now spread these pieces of paper towel on the sandwich maker. They can overlap. Close the sandwich maker and turn it on for a few minutes. The high temperature and steam from the water will loosen the burnt residue. The paper towels will absorb all the dirt. Use kitchen tongs to remove them. Gently wipe the surface of the sandwich maker with the damp paper towels, and you're done. Trick to make your entire kitchen shine. Metal pots, bowls, and elements on various equipment will regain their shine. This way, you will remove all stains and streaks from metal dishes. Steel will look like new. You can recommend this method to friends and family. Pour a tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl. Our grandmothers often used starch to clean various surfaces. Add a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for removing greasy stains. Pour a measure of laundry detergent. Add 1 measure of dishwashing liquid. Pour a glass of water. Mix everything together. These products are excellent for removing various stains and will deal with streaks and stains on steel elements. Pour the mixture into a measuring cup and using a funnel, pour it into a bottle with a spout. It can be an empty bottle from the previous dishwashing liquid. You can use this liquid immediately to clean metal elements in kitchen equipment. Just use a small amount of liquid and wipe the equipment with a cloth, then wipe dry with a towel. You will quickly notice that the steel becomes shiny. Stains and streaks disappear. You can also clean a metal kettle with it. Without scrubbing, it will be shiny as new in a few seconds. This liquid keeps all my pots clean. They are shiny like new. I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never done it this way before. Prepare a container and squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste into it. Any cheap toothpaste you have at home will do. Then, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix until the toothpaste dissolves. The next ingredient is dish soap. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add it to the mixture. Finally, pour in vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons. Mix everything thoroughly. Get a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture you just made. When you take out your fan in the spring, its blades and casing are covered in dust. Spray it generously with the solution. It's very important to clean it thoroughly before the first use. Dust and mites can cause runny noses, allergies, and respiratory problems. The solution will get into all the nooks and crannies without having to disassemble the casing. Once you've thoroughly sprayed the fan, take a clean trash bag and put it over the fan, tying it securely. Then, turn on the highest setting. The mixture will spread throughout the fan and expel the dust. It only takes 1 minute. After that, just remove the bag and throw it away. If you want, you can wipe the fan with a cloth, but you don't have to, and you're done.